Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to change image background color absolutely free using your MacBook. You can use these tips and tricks and very easily remove any of image background absolutely free. How to do it? We will see detailed demonstration on laptop screen. So this is my laptop. I just simply provide you some of the images, demo image. Look at this is a Priyanka Chopra image. She is one of favorite of mine, and I want change the background color like this and this one. First of all, we will see which types of background color you want added of this particular image. So I just simply select here one of the background. You can download some of the background images on Google also, but as a demo point of view, I just simply select as a randomly. You can decide this background are comfortable, this one or not. So how I do this process, it's very simple. So this is image. I click here tool. First of all, I remove the background and just copy this image and paste here. I just created this black background and look at this here. After that, I can justify which location I want added this image, and now I can accordingly I change simply here some of the background like this, or which background you want added here accordingly the particular image. That one is a really interesting like this. So we will decide here some of the background, which background is perfectly match of this particular image. Accordingly you can select this particular background and keep it. And second image, I just simply select this one also randomly. You just simply go to the tool, open first of all, and this is a preview application, and this application is available on Mac, is absolutely free. Again you can paste here this image, copy and paste, and look at this here, both image background are same. So as a demo point of view, I add here both images, same image, but you can use this particular image or different backgrounds, which background you like. Accordingly you decide and then change the background also here. It's very easy to change any kind of background, which background you want added here. Accordingly you decide and enjoy these features. If you really like this video, so please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.